Hi everybody, and welcome back to another one of my videos. This time we're not looking on a quartz vintage watch, but instead we're looking at this vintage hand-wound EVERITE or EVERITE. I believe it says it reads EVERITE mechanical watch, as you can see here. It is a mechanical watch with the sub-seconds at 6 o'clock. Swiss made, gold plated case, and it has this gold plated, non-original obviously, stretch metal armband of the famous brand, which I do not recall exactly what's the name of it at the moment. Incoflex or something like that. I don't really recall it. Anyway, what we'll do is, since this watch arrived a bit dirty, as you can see, and it doesn't really work well. It's pretty rough in winding it up and in setting the hour. we will basically service it. So let's get on to it. First thing is to turn the watch this way around, and let's see if I can hold it down in my case holder to remove the flexo band, whatever you call it. I just have to understand how I do it. Probably from here. Yep. Okay, one side is off. And the second side is off. So, lighter fluid, and it goes straight inside the band also. And top in a little bit, a lot of fluid with some new lighter fluid, and there it goes. I will let it sit inside for a couple of hours. Probably all the crud goes away. And now let's see the movement of this beauty. So, case opener, a little bit of adjustment, and voila. And there you have it. Actually, it's not bad at all. It's in very good condition, aesthetically, I mean. Let's see if I can. It's very hard to make it one. And even so, you can see the balance wheel is not even wound up. It just won't turn freely. Yep. Let's see if I... Oh. That should give enough power to it. No, it doesn't. Okay. So now I need to free the power that I just put inside. That's very hard. It's actually pretty hard to grab it with this case holder, because the crown is very, it's small and it's used, so there you go. As you can see, I'm releasing, I don't know if you can see, I'm slowly releasing the power from the mainspring. There you go. No more power. Case holder. The movement is free to be moved. And I will remove the movement from the case. To do that, you push the crown to the set position and then press down this. I'm going to secure a little bit more of this pin here, and then you just pull it out. I guess this one can go also in the lighter fluid. Okay, so now we have the movement. I'll try to grab it from with my tweezers and then my hands. And put that away. And now to the great. Cool. And now I need to remove the hands. To do that, I will use this plastic zip bag and two hand removers. The plastic big zip bag to protect the dial. There you go. The hands are off. Now, to remove the dial, there are screws. Here, run about 10:30, and here, run about 4:30. So, with a thin screwdriver, you don't have to unscrew them completely out, because then it is very, very hard to put them back in place. You just need to untighten them a little bit so that the pin that they hold on to is loosened, and then you can slowly lift the dial, insert in a screwdriver or the tip of the tweezers like I'm doing right now, and try to lift it up as evenly as possible. Let's see, as you can see, the dial is in pretty good condition. Under the dial is the spacer. Do not lose it. Be very careful. And here you see the pieces. Now I'm gonna put the pieces in 3 different containers, plastic containers that you see there, and that you don't see them anymore. First thing is, now we'll just flip the movement, because something just fell. Clutch. Because I'm stupid. Because I forgot, without the stem, parts can fall apart. I took the stem back. I forgot that. This is not a quartz watch. So you would say, why is he putting it back together if he had to disassemble it? Because I want to be pretty sure of what I'm doing. So I need that all the parts are in place prior to reassembly. And I want to see it moving without the hands, without the weight of the hands, to see if nothing moves. Apparently the pallet fork is not moving, it's completely blocked. So again, removing power from the movement. There we go. Okay. Now, balance cock and balance wheel. Let me close in. There you go. That should suffice. Okay. Now let's see. It's not blocked. But it's not receiving any power. Oh, I see. the escape wheel moves really slow. You're not going to be able to see it if I don't turn it like that. Yeah, I hope you're able to see it. So it's a matter of lubrication, probably. So you see, it's moving really slow. Okay. Power off again. So the power comes through the mainspring and the third and fourth wheel down to the escape wheel. But the escape wheel moves too slow, so it is probably a problem of lubrication, wrong lubrication, or sorry, or the oil has grown to be too old, so it needs to be cleaned. The pallet fork seems to be in good condition. I just want to check. If I put power again, the wheels should move freely, which they don't, as you can see. Let's see, if I try to move, it is very hard. It is very hard. Incredibly tough. So, power out. Now, let's remove all the rest of the powertrain. The movement is clean. It's not that it's dirty. Oh, that is counterclockwise. I mean, that it's a left-hand screw, not a right-hand screw. You gotta be really careful with these because otherwise you can break them. And so you see now it moves freely. Here's the click. Won't remove the click nor this click spring. I will try to be as careful as possible. Not remove this, but I will have to remove this in order. The screwdriver is too big. Well, the screws are pretty loose actually. Sorry, you're seeing my finger. There you go. Okay, let's do one thing. Since I am more comfortable with the watch here, then I will just Okay, move the camera a little bit. So there you go. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Now I am lifting the barrel bridge. Okay. Great. Now the barrel should come off. No, it won't, because yeah, the second wheel is still there. So 1, 2, 3. Since I'm not sure that the screws are all the same, I'll just keep them separated for the moment. Okay, so this is 3. Cool. Whoa! Nothing happened. Just slipped off. Here it is. And I can see that, well, let me show you this. Wait. Just let me put that back in place. Look here. The escape wheel just stays glued to its jewel. Probably this is the problem. Oh, it was hard to remove. So that is gonna need a clean. Let me check if it looks intact. Probably it just need a clean. So 3rd and 4th wheel, they all look in good shape. And now I can move the barrel. Now I'm removing again the stem and setting the clutch and all the other components. Now I will flip the moment over. As you can see, the wheel stayed there because it needs to be removed like that. There you go. That was pretty hard too. Oh, I can see it's really dirty. Anyway, let's go on with the disassembly. This is the key, this works. It's only one screw. Now comes the funny part. There's a spring. Put some rodical so that I can lift it. There you go. Well, actually, okay. That is with the screw. That is also very, very hard. Damn it. Okay. It's a bit rough, but it came out. Cool. Now here you have the strip it out base plate. And here we have the movement is a 6325. It appears to have a ATA logo, but it's a T and U on side. There's another marking here with an E4 here. So there are no other markings that I can see. But it looks like a very good and cleaned movement. So now so there you are. This was the stripping down of this mechanical watch from EVERITE. I hope I pronounced that correctly. Right now I will clean the watch and then proceed to reassembly and all everything and see if it works. So stay tuned for part 2 of this video. Goodbye. Oh, sorry, before I say goodbye, if you like the video, just put a like on it. If you dislike, you know just what to do. Don't forget to subscribe and to check out the website www.OnlyVintageWatches.com. Goodbye again. Bye.